Welcome viewer, I am Readiness. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 black screen with cursor. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type services.msc, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Open App Readiness Service, change Startup type to Disabled, click Apply, click OK. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space 00, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type Regedit, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand Current Version. Click and expand WinLogon. Open Shell, value data is Explorer.exe. Close and exit Registry Editor. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space 00, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Start computer by pressing Power button. After Windows logo appears on screen, press and hold Power key 5 seconds to shut down the computer. Again start the computer with Power button, repeat this steps 3 or 4 times, you will get automatic repair screen. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Third method is click Startup Repair. If same error still exists, fourth method is System Restore. If same error still exists, fifth method is Uninstall Updates. First, uninstall latest quality update. If still error exists, uninstall latest feature update. Sixth method is click Startup Settings. Press F4 key to enable safe mode. Click Start, Settings, click Apps. Apps and Features. Uninstall recently installed app. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.